Part 20. We are going to continue with the surface area of different shapes. You will find this on page 223 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. We are going to focus on the cylinder. A closed cylinder is a three-dimensional solid with two parallel circular end faces, and a uniform circular cross section. So if I look at the net of a cylinder, this curved surface area will form a rectangle, and this base on top and at the bottom will form a circle. So from the net of a cylinder, we can see that PQ, look, PQ is the circumference of the base circle. So basically, PQ will fit, okay, I just want to show you. So if I start there, it will fit exactly around the circumference. So I'm going to try to highlight it to you. So PQ, and I'm going to try to draw this for you also. That's what will happen. So this length will be exactly one time around the circle, and we call this the circumference of the circle. So the circumference of the base. So this is why this one will be 2 pi r. Because how do I work out the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. The 2 is on the ground. It's not area. Okay. So the area of the curved surface is this 2 pi r as well as this one is h. So it's 2 pi r times that h, so it's 2 pi r h. That is the area of the curved surface. That is the curved surface area. There I showed it. Okay, let's just go on. So let's go on. The total surface area of a closed cylinder is the area of the curved surface that plus 2 times the base. So it's the rectangle plus 2 circles. Thus we have the formula. Remember, this is the curved surface area, 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the circumference times the height. And this, there's one circle, but because there's 2 circles, I multiply it by 2. Okay, but let's look at an example. Example 30. The base radius of a solid cylinder is 2 and its height is 8. Find the curved surface area. So it's only this part that they refer to. So the curved surface area is just the circumference, which is 2 pi r times the height. So I just do substitution, and this is the curved surface area. And if I ask you the total surface area, it's just the curved surface area plus 2 circles. So I just take that and I just do substitution, and that will be my final answer. Okay, I want you to do for me, try now 30 only number 1a as well as number 1b. You can again stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Try now 30. Okay, let's start with number 1. The base radius of a solid, so very important, the radius of the solid is 5. Okay, and its height will be 10. Okay, that's the height. That's the radius. So the curved surface. Now it's better to remember it with a specific way. So look how I remember it. It's the curved surface area. Now, the curved surface area will be the rectangle. But remember that that part, can I show you in color again? This part fit exactly around the circumference. So the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. And that will be the height. So the curved surface area will just be 2 pi r, which is the circumference, times the height. It's the better to remember it just like that. And now just substitution. We're going to keep to the 3,14, and the radius, what is going to be the radius? It's going to be 5, and what is the height going to be? 10. And if I multiply all of that out, I get 314, and that will just be the rectangle. Okay, and now the total surface area, so this will be A, and number B, so the total surface area of a cylinder. And that is the curves. Okay, I'm just rather going to do the equal here. So it's the curved surface area plus 2 bases. Now, 2 bases, or it's actually 2 circles. One for the top and one for the bottom. So I'm just going to move it up a little bit. So basically, you already worked this out. Don't work it out again. You can just substitute it. Otherwise, you can use that part and put it again there. I'm going to make a red cross. It's actually that whole part which you can put there. But you already worked it out. Don't work it out again. But now your 2 circles. So my 2 circles is the area of a circle. Remember, it's pi r square. And now I'm just going to fill in everything. So it's 314. I kept to my 314. I already have it. I substitute this. So it's 3 point. Let's just do that point correct. 1 4. And then the radius. What will be the radius? The radius will still be 5. Oh, okay, let's just redo that one. Square. Okay, so let's just correct. So it's that 314. Oh, this pen again. Okay, plus, and now I'm just going to multiply. So that's going to be 3 point, okay, 14 times 5. Oh, you could have actually just said 2 times 3.14 times 5 times 5 or times 5 squared, and that will be 157. Just redo that one. And if I add it up, that's going to be plus that 314, and that's 471. That's 471, and that's going to be in centimeter. Oh, let's just redo that meter. Oh, let's redo that one also. Just that pen again. Okay, I just want to check 2 times 3.14 times 5 times 5, and that was correct. And that will be my total surface area.